Hello friends, welcome to the channel Win Science. Today I am going to discuss a very beautiful concept of relativity, theory of relativity, that is length contraction in relativity. So friends, basically what is length contraction? To understand length contraction, we have to understand very basic concepts like what is proper length. Now for example, you are traveling in a car. Now you have a briefcase in a car. Now car is a frame in which you are traveling and you are the observer, and briefcase is the object. So what is proper length here? So it is defined as the length of the object, that is your briefcase, measured by the observer, that is you, which is in the same frame. Frame is a car in which the object is placed. So object here is briefcase. So according to you, the length of the briefcase observed by you is the proper length, and according to you there is no change in the length of the object, length of the briefcase. So what is the apparent length or the contracted length? Now suppose there is an observer, there is a person standing outside the car, and car is traveling with a speed comparative to the speed of light. Now according to him, there will be a change in the length of the object. Now that length is known as the apparent length or the contracted length. So what is the relation between that length, proper length, and the speed of the frame? This is the relation, that is L equals to L dash multiplied by under root of 1 minus V square by C square. Now here L is the contracted or apparent length, L dash is a proper length, V is the speed of the frame, here it is the speed of the car, and C is the speed of the light, here it is V square and C square. Now we can understand this with a very simple numerical problem. Now suppose the speed of the frame or the car is 0.8 into c. Now c is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That is, speed of the frame is 0.8 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and the length of the object is 1 meter. And can you guess what will be its apparent length? You have to just put these values into the relation that I have just shared with you, that is 0.8 c and its length is 1 meter. Then what will be its apparent length? So friends, what is the length? Yes, okay, yes, this is 0.6 meter. So 0.6 meter is lesser than 1 meter. It means the length is contracted here. So this is the problem, and this is the given thing, that is speed equals to 0.8 meters, proper length is 1 meter, apparent length is 0.6 meters, so L is lesser than L dash. So my dear friends, here the value of under root of 1 minus V square by C square, it will always be in decimal, except when V is equals to C, then the value will be 1 minus 1, that is 0. In that case it will be a point object, otherwise in this numerical the length is 0.6 meter. Now take the case when the speed is very lesser than c. Now if speed is very lesser than c, for example if we travel with a car, on a bike, in a plane, so in that case V square by C square will be negligible, then L will be equals to L dash. There will not be any length contraction. So this is the concept of length contraction. I repeat again, take the case, special case, that when V is very less than C, then V square by C square will be negligible. so it can be neglected. That is L equals to L dash. This is the concept of length contraction. So my dear friends, I hope you have understood the concept of length contraction. I have derived this result of L equals to L dash under root of 1 minus V square by C square in my previous video lecture. So if you like my lecture, please like the channel, subscribe the channel, and click on the bell button for the further notifications for the further video lectures. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Keep liking, keep subscribing. Thank you. Thanks a lot.